Hello, welcome to the channel. I got another 3 mega box from Absolute Football 2024. Got these at Best Buy, ordered them online, went to go pick them up. They go for 50 plus tax, and they came in quickly. So, and what we're trying to get that kaboom. As you can see, well, honestly, we're just trying to have fun again, see what we can get, what our luck is in here. Um, and yeah, that's it. Let's go. Let's get started. Get right into it. As you can see, any card would be worthwhile. Just even the base, just something fun to be doing and opening. As I have that sharp knife open. First pack, all the packs are there. First packs. Come on. Let's set that here. And the case hits. Yeah, should have just done that first. But at the very bottom, you can see the kabooms, explosives. One of these would do for any enthusiast out there. But that's the whole point, the journey to get there as we build a collection here. And yeah, one day I'll get it. We'll get there. We'll get there. Nothing in there. This is the second. Reuse these boxes for house and leave it like that for now. Here we go again. Well, I just tossed that final box to the side. Let's get it. Alright, yes. Yes. Well, here for the excitement. Let's round up and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. First pack, the first box. My second set of 3. Let's go. Jamar Chase, Daniel Jones, Jahmyr Gibbs. Ooh, let's go. Next to turn it around, Jared Verse is a rookie. LA Chargers, come on. Jacob Brissett. And right here we got the draft diamonds. Jason Kell. Come on, let's go. Second pack. Okay, let's go. Christian McCaffrey, Josh Allen, Jesse Bates III, Tyreek Hill, and Drake May. Rookie. And Jaden Daniels. Ooh, nice. Another nice one, rookie. Jaden Daniels. And Jacob Powers Johnson. Let's get that Jaden Daniels sleeved. Gently. Oh, I can't see. Man, what are you doing? Gentle. Oh, that's nice. Let me get that other guy sleeved up as well. And how's it going? Everyone out there in the hobby, how's your luck? Well, just terrible luck here. Not just kidding. I'm just starting. I'm excited. I have an empty room. I decided to say that I can use for a collection to build. And I'm sure a lot of you out there have a great selection of collections. Let me know, what's your favorite hobby? Right now, I just got this going for me. As we got Nick Chubb, and there is Elton Jordan Love, Jackson Najigba, Joey Bosa, Bart Irving, and the cards right there. Set that down. 2 rookies, Bucky and Tyler. No, first pack. A couple packs down. We got 3 to go so far. Not too bad. I like those. I like what we're getting. What's going up. But obviously, we want that kaboom. We want the top cards. Rookie. Oh, these are the Terry Smith. Let me just go back. Chris Jones, Derek Carr, Ahmad. Ooh, Malik Neighbors stargazing. Whoa. Malik Neighbors stargazing. Set it there. DeAndre Swift. This one feels what's happened to this one? Wow, absolute. Ooh, on the last video, I was going crazy on how well produced these cards. This is the first dud. What's going on there? No. Wow. And this one looks, well. That's the first. We'll just leave that one out here. Well, not everything is perfect. I'm sure there's always some issues at the printing. But luckily, that wasn't a kaboom. Brock Purdy, Trevor Lawrence, Drake London, Matthew Stanford, Brendan Rice, Arjun Cooper. And first box to go, last pack, come on. Let's see what else we can get. Well, since the fighter don't want to come out. Kenneth Walker, Allen, Kyle Duggar. Ooh, a rock out, Brian Thomas Jr. All right, let's just turn it around. Drake May, rookie, Trey Benson, and Javonte Williams. And we had Brian Thomas Jr. for the rock out. It's a nice. The rock outs, they all look great here. Well, quick recap. First box. Couple favorites. Not too bad. The first box, I'm gonna give it a. Damn. No. Yeah, no. What do we think? Out of 10? Let's give it a 4. First box. All right. Second box, let's go. Rip it up. Tua. It's not too bad. Wish it was just something a lot better than just a base card. But this is what we get. And then what we aim for is the journey, the search. Something there. Nate Williams. I'm gonna set this guy right over here. Austin. And our memorabilia, Johnny Wilson. The absolute rookie materials card. That's the first pack. Not too bad. Second box, okay. Remove. Jordan Love, Dalton Smith, Chris Jones, Keon Coleman by Storm. There's this move. Marvin Harrison Jr., rookie. Junior Colson, rookie. Not too bad. Next box is pretty fun. Yeah, it's all fun. All fun. Let's add to the collection, like I said. Derek Carr, Amon-Ra, St. Brown, Brock Purdy, Trevor Lawrence, Rome Oduns, rookie, Jonathan Brooks, Ray Davis, Josh Jacobs, Baker Mayfield, George, Donald Driver, and it is a Draft Diamonds card. This looks nice too. Melik, what do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got here? Jalen McMillan, nice. Well, second box almost done. It's still on the search. Josh Allen, Aiden Hutchinson, Christian McCaffrey, Josh Allen, Tip Ryman, rookie cards, and this Rakestraw, Michael Pratt, rookie, final pack. Good. Well, talking about fun and a couple good okay cards. Final pack. Jesse Bates, as I debate what the rating I should give to this mega box. Second, Tyreek Hill, Nick Chubb. One thing would change it if I get a sick card here. DJ Moore. And let's give it a solid 6. Not too bad and not too good. Alright, final box. Let's go get some luck going. Like a draw. Woo. But it's looking like ordering no longer from Best Buy. All the two a bust. The 2 orders are a bust. No. No. Kaboom. Theo Johnson, rookie. Jalen Polk, rookie. First pack, second pack of the last box. Slow start. Let's see. Mage Harris, Travis, Dante, Robinson, Cooper, Cook, Carr, Jonah Ellis. Rookies right here. Sam Hubbard, Kendra Miller, Jared Goff, Ooh, Kyle Duggar. Which one is this? Ah, I like these draft diamonds. They got a nice look to them. Already seen Amon, Malik Neighbors rookie, and Mason Smith rookie. Hey, we move. Let's get it. Joey Bosa, DeAndre Swift, Javonte Williams, Javon Baker. That's the rookies right here. I wish some rookies looked a little different than these other ones. All right, almost the final pack. We're getting there. We're getting there. Overall, this selection has been bad. Russell Wilson, Jonathan Taylor, Kirk Cousins. Let me get this better. What's this? It's upside down. Oh, we got another Ray Davis. We got another card. Nice. Boom. Brock Purdy, Luke McCaffrey, rookie. Ben Snip, rookie. Nice. All right, final pack. It's been fun. Let me know what you think. Like I said, adding to the collection. It's fun. Exciting to see if I can pack that elusive Kaboom that everyone wants. Joe Burrow, Chris Olave. Oh, we got a Marvin Harrison Jr., wide receiver. Star gazing. Nice. Set that over there. Trevor Lawrence. Spencer Rattler. And the last card, Polk. Rookie card. Well, not too bad. That was fun. I like the draft diamonds. These draft diamonds. Out of all, besides the Kabooms, they're all nice. They're nice. Overall, the whole three, because of this one and the fact that I didn't get a Kaboom, man, I'll give it a 4. And I probably won't be ordering from Best Buy. All right, if you liked the video, let me know what you think. I might try to get some more 3 boxes of the other kind of big trading cards in the hobby. Thank you.